It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Here you go, Sky. Here's your strawberry smoothie with fresh fruit toppings.
Thanks, Minnie.
You're welcome.
Oh, summertime is so much fun with the beach, the sun, except for the heat. It sure is hot today. I need something to cool me down. Hey, Daisy. Well, hello there, Sky. Is that a smoothie? Yep, it sure is. I got it from Minnie's brand new smoothie shop. It's perfect for this summer heat. Well, that's exactly what I need for this summer heat. Thanks, Sky. I'll go grab a smoothie myself. You're welcome. Hey there, Minnie.
Well, hi there, Daisy. Welcome to my smoothie shop.
Oh, I am so excited to try a smoothie.
Sure thing. What kind of smoothie would you like to have?
Oh, I would like to have strawberry pineapple smoothie.
I can do that.
Let's get to work. First thing we are going to need are pineapples and strawberries. Let's make them. For our pineapple, we are going to need yellow dough. Here's one pineapple slice. Let's put that in our cup. Another pineapple slice. And then let's make some strawberries, which is this mold. To make our strawberries, we're going to need a little bit of pink and a little bit of green. Yum! And of course, we're gonna need a couple more. There we go. The fruits are in there.
Now let's put some ice in our blender.
Here are our ice cubes inside our ice tray. We'll take the green one and a yellow one. There we go. To the blender these go.
Now add in the fruits and blend away.
Here are all the fruits. We'll add those in there. We'll put the cup in here to catch our blended smoothie. Here we go. That was our first round. Let's blend it a little bit more. All we have to do is put this back inside. And let's blend again, just to mix all of the ingredients up. Ta-da! Ooh, that looks yummy.
And for your toppings, Daisy, you can have candies or fresh fruits.
Can I have gummy bears as my toppings?
Ooh, great choice. Gummy bears it is.
I see a gummy bear mold here, so let's put some blue dough in there. Ta-da! And then let's add one more that's color red. Let's add the straw.
And voila! Here you go, Daisy. Strawberry pineapple smoothie with gummy bears on top.
That is definitely refreshing. Thanks, Minnie.
You're welcome.
Minnie, can I have a smoothie too?
Well, hey there, Poppy. Sure thing. What smoothie would you like to have? Daisy got strawberry pineapple.
I saw it looked yummy, but for me, I want to have avocado, kale, and blueberries.
That combination is yummy and healthy. Coming right up.
Here's our avocado mold. We need a little bit of brown in the middle for the seed, and then green for everything else. One avocado. In the cup it goes. Here's another one. And then here we have kale. We also need green for that. One. And two. Now we have our blueberries here. Perfect.
Here you go, Minnie. Fruits are ready. Perfect. Now let's get some ice and mix it all in the blender.
Let's get ice cube number 1 in the blender. And ice cube number 2. To the blender it goes. Here are the fruits. Let's bring our cup inside.
And blend away.
Here we go. Whoa, that's a lot of smoothie.
Perfect. For the toppings,
Ooh, fresh fruits for me. We have those too. We can add apple, grapes, and bananas. 1, 2, and 3 fresh fruits on top. Here's our straw.
Order for Miss Poppy is ready.
Ooh, it looks delicious. And tastes delicious too. Thanks, Minnie.
Glad you like it. See you later. Well, it's getting late. It's almost time for me to close my shop.
Wait. Minnie, don't close just yet. Can I have a smoothie, please?
Oh, hey there. Looks like you're gonna be my last customer for the day.
Oh, yay! But I don't really know what to get. What do you recommend?
Oh, may I suggest the Nat and Essie special? It has bananas in there, raspberries, and topped with whipped cream, cherry, and sprinkles. How does that sound?
That sounds absolutely yummy. I'll get that one. Perfect. Let's make some raspberries. We'll make lots more. Let's make some bananas. And another one. Let's get our ice cube. There we go. 1 ice cube in. And then our fruits. And then another ice cube. Yay! Blender time. Doo-doo-doo. Nice. Smoothies here. Now for the toppings. We need our plunger for the whipped cream. We'll add some white dough and push to get our whipped cream. Let's add some more. There we go. Let's add the cherry. Ooh, that looks yummy. We'll put that on top. Cute. And now let's add some sprinkles. To make our sprinkles, all we have to do is roll up different colors of clay. Then we're gonna cut it up in tiny pieces. And we'll sprinkle it all over the top. Let's add our straw.
Ta-da! The Nat and Essie smoothie special is ready to go. Here you go, Bluey.
Oh, goodness gracious. That is absolutely yummylicious. Thanks so much, Minnie.
Of course, it is my pleasure. Now. The smoothie shop is closed. See you next time. Bye!